Today we have a video from 50 Police Body Cam, and the title of the video is, "So you decided to slap a cop."
Yes, dude. This is getting old. Yeah, for real. Let's go. This is getting super old. Let's go. We're gonna arrest you for trespassing.
You're riding a scooter, so shut up.
This is.
I don't give a f. I'm riding a scooter. What are you coming at me aggressively for? What am I doing?
Because you've been aggressive.
This is my car. So mind your business, bitch. Maybe if you're doing your job, then you'd understand.
I'm so sorry.
So you ghetto ass bitch walking up to me like you're gonna fucking
so sorry. I'm so sorry.
No, get off me and let me put my back. I'm pretty sure this scooter is under my name. You dumb bitch. Letting somebody go away after they decked him in the face, you worthless bitch. You wanna come after us? Oh, I'm coming at you because I'm a big fat bitch. Shut up, you ghetto ass white bitch. Oh, but yeah, you guys are letting someone drive away after they want to drink.
I don't have a cup.
Yeah, get my license.
22, can you get a 26 when you're ready for some?
Bitch, you ain't getting
I already
Get
got
the
it.
f out of here.
All right.
Get the f out of here.
You're gonna go to jail.
You're not gonna go and take me to jail for bitch. What are you gonna arrest me for? Yeah, bitch, get the f away from my car. What? I'll call my dad right now. What are you gonna arrest me for?
Trespassing.
Trespassing, bitch. I'm getting the f out of here with this white ass fat bitch that doesn't know how to do good for herself. You waste of face, big waste of face. That's all you big bitches are.
Get your girl. She's gonna go to jail for
Get your girl. That ain't my man, bitch. I'm 20 years old. Then what? What are you gonna arrest me for, bitch?
disorderly
You wanna
conduct.
touch me, bitch? You're lucky I don't stop you in your face. Bitch. What, bitch?
Let's go.
Yeah, what? You didn't do when my homie got stopped. You worthless bitch. You're a worthless bitch. You didn't do when my homie got stopped in your face. You drive my. No, this bitch is the same bitch that stood there when my homie got stopped in the face. White
Dude, it's time to go. It's time to go.
You need to get out of here.
fucking dumb white
Get out of here.
bitch. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't fucking touch me. You guys have been ready to talk to me all night. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
They gonna get her ass together, boy.
Get off of me. Get off of me. Go on, dude. I'm trying to go home to my kids, you guys. I don't even go out. This is my first night out. Get off of me.
Nah, it's your first night out. Oh, okay.
Sit down. Come on. Me? Yeah. I was just taking care of you, bro. Okay. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Okay?
Everything's cool right now. I'm not going to slam you to the ground, nothing like that. You're going to be detained right now until we figure out what's going on. Okay, cool. You're not under arrest. You're not under arrest. You're detained right
She's
now.
going crazy.
Yeah, we're going to figure it out, bro.
That's fine, bro. I was just trying to take her home.
Can you step away from my officer, please? Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, I know.
I have my rights.
You have your right to.
Ah, here we go.
That's my sister. No.
Okay.
No. No. No.
Okay.
No.
Could you get away from my officer, please?
No.
Okay.
No. I have my rights. No.
Okay.
No.
You have your rights, but when you start
No.
interfering with the investigation.
No. That's my sister right there.
Okay. Struck an officer. Did you record that?
Nah, he missed that part. He missed that
Get
part.
off of me, you guys. Like, I'm trying to go home. I'm trying to go home, you guys. Like,
Oh, now she trying to go
Get
home.
off of me. I have 2 kids to come home to.
Well, you're not
I've
going
been trying to go home all night. I was trying to ride scooters.
just
I'm
got a
not
felony.
drinking. I'm not even, you guys, please. Like, please.
You can't be hitting a cop.
I'm not trying to hit a car.
You just did.
That's not what I'm trying to do, you guys.
just
Like,
did.
please. I've never been in trouble before. Please don't.
You just got a felony.
No, like, I'm not trying to.
Good job.
Please, you guys. You guys, like, really? You're, like, please, officer.
I'll take it.
We're going over here.
Please, you guys. Like, I've been trying to
You're
be
under
with you guys all night.
It amazes me how the attitude all of a sudden changed. What happened? I thought she was this big, bad, tough girl. You know, do whatever she want. Hit police. Yada, yada. Yeah, what happened? Now it's, oh, I got 2 kids. I have to make it home to them. I wasn't trying to hit the police. I'm sorry. Oh, wait, what happened? Why the sudden change in attitude? Man, get her ass together, man. The guys couldn't control her, and honestly, it ain't their job to. It looked like none of them was, they just friends. You know what I mean? She wanna act like an asshole? Let her be. Let her be. I'm not gonna keep grabbing on you to get you to go in the car. You don't want to go in the car? Fuck it then. Go to jail. Take your ass to jail then. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You can't make this stuff up. And then listen, if you a lady, the last person you want to run into is another lady cop. Okay? We know how the ladies get. Yeah. They gonna go at it. If it's a lady and she got a male cop, it's like, okay, cool, whatever. But a lady and a lady? Shit. Your ass is grass, boy.
Under arrest.
I've been trying to be cool all night. Like, please don't, you guys.
No, we don't have discretion. You just committed a felony.
Okay, I'm sorry.
What's your badge?
5342.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, are you here in the parking lot? Are you parked here? Because it's marked no
Yeah, this is
loitering.
my sister's car right here.
Okay, you need to take off then.
No, I don't. I don't have to.
Yeah, you do.
Nope, I don't.
You do. It's
No,
private
I don't.
property.
I don't. I don't.
This is no hanging out. You'll be arrested for trespassing. I'm not paying.
So take off.
You got 5 seconds to get out of here. You're going to jail. So step outside the parking lot. Outside the fence. Thank you.
I'm just a bit freaked out. I've never been in trouble by cops, you guys. Like, I've never been in trouble by cops.
Thank you. You'll be arrested for trespassing.
So what's going on, bro?
I think she's drunk, bro. She got mad at that white cop because that white cop came and I was trying to hug her and say, bro, leave the white cop alone. You're going to go to jail tonight. Look at her, bro. Like, I was going to take her to a hotel. We was just finna go to a hotel, bro.
Yeah, my boy said, yo, I was about to take her to the telly, man. We know what go on at the telly. Yes, sir. But now my boy plans have changed, man. Damn, it's over with, man. He went from having a great night to a fucked up night, man. Now you got, damn, man.
Please, no. Like, please, no. I'm not.
You would like to go into jail.
Please.
Add some more charges. All right.
Not what you guys think. Like, I
Walk to the car.
need to go home too.
Walk to the car.
Hey, you can't hang out in the parking lot. You gotta go.
I have business
All right.
to go home
Now you're resisting too. Get in the car.
I'm not trying to get in trouble. Please, you guys. Like, I'm not trying to get in trouble. You guys, please, I have babies to go home to.
It's a felony.
I've been good to you guys. Like, I literally reported. I'm outside the gate. You can't do
Is that your car? Right there.
That's her car, bro. That's her car. I was going to drive her because she was drunk. You feel me? I was trying to take care of her, bro. I don't drink.
Around here this whole time,
I don't
bro.
drink.
You guys could have left from
I told her, bro. This is girl, bro. I told
you
her,
guys
let's
are
get
acting
the
like kids.
out of here, bro.
What's your last name, bro? Oh,
I ain't on no, I ain't on no papers or anything, bro. I'm at a barber shop.
Where you cut at?
Showtime.
Oh, Showtime. Okay.
Yeah. That's my boss right there. I just came out with with my brother actually. He's in the club right now, bro. And I was just trying to get her to a room. And she wants to swear out on cops. And I told her, don't with the cops, bro. I'm cool with all of them. I cut their hair.
My lawyer will get you.
Hey, Dickie. Liam, the guy they have cuffed, is he involved at all? You guys didn't for anything? Who?
I don't think so.
He didn't do anything. He didn't get hurt. He didn't do anything.
I got you. I got you. They can't do They can't do They can't do
What's your name?
I'm gonna shut up. You're not making it better for me.
What's your date of birth?
You got nothing to do with it.
Yeah, bro.
I just gotta make sure.
You good, bro. Y'all got a job to do. I understand.
I appreciate you being calm. We'll get it figured out.
I'm here with y'all, man. I ain't under no bullshit. So y'all got to do what y'all got to do. I got it. I get it.
Go ahead and turn around, bro. Yeah, I appreciate you being polite.
Of course, man. If y'all want to cut, bro, I'm sorry. This is the approach. But if y'all need a haircut, bro, come to Showtime Barbershop.
You're good.
You don't want to solicit me. I'm bad for business.
Listen, the brother going.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
The brother going to go get him a cut. Trust and believe. We know the Hispanics, they know how to cut that thing up nice, man. The brother is be down there. I don't know about these other guys, but the brother be down there, man, for sure, for sure.
very much.
Thank
Are
you.
those her
Sorry,
keys
bro.
or your
You're
keys?
back shit, bro. You have a good night, too.
Are those her keys or your keys?
These are hers.
I just want to make sure she gets them back.
Yeah.
Appreciate you. Go ahead. Hey, so I guess that's her car, and these are the keys to it.
Thank you.
Yeah, and I got his 49 if you want to run.
Yeah. Go ahead. Thank you. Appreciate you.
You know they love to throw that word around, so it's time to throw that word around.
Oh, I guess having our back though there. Oh boy. Later.
I should have just went home. This group of people is just trouble. That's what the it is. It's like, I just really want to go home with my kids. That's literally all I'm concerned.
DT 2256, ending is 14.
14046.
My car is locked, right? Do you know by chance?
I'm not too sure. But we can check on it later. Go ahead, step out.
Am I going to the gym?
Yes.
Like to a different place than this?
Yes. So, right now, you are under arrest for battery on a peace officer, resisting, and
You guys, like, please go. I'm so scared. I've never been in trouble before.
it's a hell of a way to start off
I'm
your
just
record.
scared.
We're going over
I don't
here.
know how to.
Hell of a way to start off your record.
Don't make this any worse. I need you to keep walking.
I'm just really scared, you guys. I mean, like, am I gonna be left without my kids forever? Like, I'm sorry, you guys. I just
Forever.
don't know how this all works. Like,
Like I told you, as soon as we know something, you're gonna know something too. But the first step is getting in the door.
am I gonna
Okay?
be left without my kids? So,
Let's go.
like,
We'll chat, okay?
You need to walk inside.
you guys, I'm just scared. I just want my babies. I don't want to be left without them. Like, that's all I have is my babies. Like,
Look, they waiting for you. They in there.
I was just like, man, I knew I was gonna regret it. Like,
Look. Big Bertha that's about to do life. They in there waiting for you, boy. Nah, she good, man. But it's just funny, though.
I don't want to without my babies. I'm sorry.
So we're gonna go have a seat on that back bench, okay? Are you gonna be cool from now on? Okay.
The suspect, Angelica Barker Bartlett, was aged 26 at the time of this arrest. She was charged with battery upon a peace officer as a Class 4 felony, with resisting, evading, or obstructing an officer as a misdemeanor, and with disorderly conduct as a petty misdemeanor. The maximum sentence for all three offenses in New Mexico is 3 years in prison and $6,500 in fines. However, on March the 4th, 2025, the suspect's public defender challenged the state's identification of her, and all charges were dropped the following day. Was justice served? Let us know in the comments below.
Go ahead, face that way. Turn your back on me real quick. You just don't allow it to be in the front, okay, when we pick you up, alright? They might make you a little more comfortable on the way there, but for right now, I got you behind your back. Okay, is that too tight? You good? Okay. And if you want to go ahead and have a seat where you were before.
Yeah. So it sounds like they must have messed up on the paperwork or something. That's what it sounds like to me. Yeah, she got off because that was clear as day that she hit the cop. So yeah, they must have messed up somehow. They said the identification of her or whatever, something got messed up along the way, and you know, hey, everybody shit on the public defenders, but hey, the public defender got her out that jam. All charges dropped. It is what it is, man. Damn, that's crazy. But anyway, overall, I get a cops, man, 5 out of 5. They did their best to just let her go, and she brought everything upon herself. So It is what it is. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.